Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra versus iPhone 17 Pro Max. Two giants, both still in rumors. But the leaks reveal big upgrades in power, design, and cameras. Let's compare what's expected and who might rule the smartphone future. What type of display are we looking at on each phone? Which one offers the smoother refresh rate? Who delivers the sharpest resolution? How do the screen ratios compare? Which phone packs in more pixels per inch? Which screen gets the brightest under the sun? And what kind of protection do these displays come with? Software. What operating system is running out of the box? How long will you get software updates on each? Performance. What's powering these phones under the hood? Which chipset leads the performance game? Who wins in the graphics department? And how do they score on Antutu? Storage. What RAM and storage options do you get here? Can you expand storage with a memory card? Main camera. Which phone records the best quality video on the main camera? Front camera. And what can you expect from the selfie camera when it comes to video? Battery. What kind of battery are these phones packing? And how fast can they charge? Connectivity. What network technologies do these phones support? How strong is the Wi-Fi game? Who's offering better Bluetooth support? What type of charging cable are you getting? Do they both support NFC? And is there any FM radio on board? Multimedia. Is the classic headphone jack still around? How good are the speakers on each? Security, fingerprint or face unlock. What's available here? Other specs. How much do these phones weigh? Do they come with an IP rating for water and dust resistance? Launch. When were these phones officially announced, and when did they actually hit the market? What's the current price tag? Verdict. So, between the two, which one is the real winner? If the leaks are true, which one would you pick? Share your thoughts in the comments below, like, subscribe, and stay tuned as these rumors turn into reality.